What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. And actually, for that 10% female watchers I have, hello, shout out to you. Thank you for watching. Today I wanted to bring you guys out to this trail we call TampaLand. It's short, but it's sweet. Also, I wanted to show you guys my Sur Ron, and this is kind of new. It's like a public giant Jenga. Danger, play at your own risk. Brought to you by Get Wrecked in the Park. Well, we're not trying to get wrecked, but it looks like somebody dropped this already. The rule here is if you drop this, you need to remake everything. But let's see if we can play. Oh, there we go. That was easy. Till next time, Jenga. Also, I wanted to show you guys my Sur Ron. So I'm running stock controller, shy battery, 60 volt, 60 amp hour. I will shoot a range test on this battery very soon. So make sure to subscribe so you can stay up to date when I release that. Like I said, very soon. Range test, shy battery, 60 volt, 60 amp hour. What else we got here? My custom seat that I've made, super comfy. As far as tires go, I am running the Maxxis Max Cross IT on the back and the Dunlops in the front. The Geomax, man, this thing grips like a freaking cheetah. But just wanted to show you guys my Sur Ron, and let's hit the trail. Also, I got these new Troy Lee gloves. What do you guys think about these? They're super light. They're kind of tight in the beginning, but broke them in. They're super lightweight. All right, let's get it. Super drippy front tire. This section, there's a lot of squirrels around here that just run around. Oh, that was one right there. Oh, there's another one, so I don't want to go too crazy. But a lot of up and down. Oh, there's another squirrel. Favorite section right here, blind left turn. Oh, there we go. And that's it right here. Beautiful little trail, guys. I love it. You run it back and forth, back and forth, back and forth. It's so much fun to do. And check this area out. It's a little bonus right here. A lot of crazy art over here. All right, let's go. Next spot. All right, we are here, guys. Limekiln Canyon Park. Let's go. Love this place. Look at this place, guys. What's up, Squirrely? It is super beautiful. A lot of these trees, there's erosion. Okay, so a lot of these trees are either falling, fell, or about to fall. Go. Whoop, another squirrel. Super dope area. If you're a local San Fernando Valley, you have to check this place out. I wanted to show you guys this real quick. That erosion I was talking about. Look at that. Pretty crazy. Baby squirrel. Yeah, these Dunlops, man, they grip good. Like I said, front is like a cheetah after the prey. Okay. All right, now the trail continues this way, but I want to show you guys a little secret spot I found over here. Look at this. Look at this tree. Look at this thing. Insane. Completely torn out of the ground. I wonder what lives right there. But yeah, this is my little chill spot. Every time I do this trail, and I do this trail a lot. Stop over here, it's about halfway through. Check this out. This place is so peaceful. Just listening to the water. There's no one around. A few minutes to appreciate just silence. Nature's silence. Beautiful spot. Catch you guys back on the trail. Alright, get out of here. Let's continue. A little bit of MTB right here. We love that. Look at this. I don't know if you guys can see that, but it's same thing, erosion, and this whole section looks like it's about to give. Get out of here. I sure hope it doesn't. I love this trip. Rabbit, look at that. See what I'm talking about? Crazy erosion. Get ready for squirrels. Woo-wee! Thank you guys for watching. I appreciate it. And like I said, stay tuned for my Shy Battery test range review.